Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to answer a question that I got on my YouTube channel, and they were trying to figure out, can you actually close your self account early? And yes, you can close your self account early. And also I want to show you how you can close it out early. And also if you have the credit card, you guys can technically close cancel your self account and get your money back. So I want to talk to you guys about that too, because it was asking about that self account. Now, usually if you guys have that credit builder account, that money is going into your self account. So if we scroll down, we'll see the different types of accounts that they do have. So this is the credit card, but you can't get that until you start paying into your account right here. Now, usually I would do the 48 $48 a month one, and it was only for 12 months. Now it's for 24 months. So I see a lot of people like, I'm tired of paying this, Rickita. I just want to get the money I paid back. I want to get this over with. So I'm going to show you guys how to get that done faster. And if you guys have that credit card, you guys should probably pay this off first, then go ahead and take the money off of that credit card. So you have different plans. You got the $25, $35, $48, and $150 per month. Now, when I say close it out faster and not get charged any extra fees, pay it off early, you guys have to pay literally whatever it is that you have to pay. So I'm going to show you how I was able to close out one of my older accounts early, and understand that you do have to pay on it. So the key is this. Let me show you. Here's the accounts that I have. I haven't had these accounts technically since October of 2021, right? So this one I paid off normally. I didn't do anything special to it. I started 2020. I paid it off in 2021. That was it. Then I had this one here. Now this is the one I want to show you, because I started paying this off April 7th. And then October 2nd, I was done with it. And all I did was I made extra payments to her account, because I was like, man, I'm tired of this too. I want to hurry up and get it paid off. And then I want to make another video for you guys on opening another account. So I was like, let me hurry up and pay it out and see how the payout is going to go. So all I did was, you see how at the $48 per month, I just went in there and made extra payments towards that account. That's it. Like regular payments, I paid extra. If for some reason they don't let you pay too much extra, because it is 24 months now, I don't know what that's going to look like, then every month, if I were you, I would just go in there and pay extra. If you guys were to take your money out early, ask them how much they're going to charge you as a penalty for taking it out early, because they may charge you a lot of money for that, or they may damage your credit, saying that you cannot do that without paying it in full. You guys have to think about that. They have it set up as if they loaned you a certain amount of money and you're paying them back. Okay, so keep that in mind. And now you have it where I would have technically been half of this. That's how much I would have got back, about half of this, or a little more, about half of this I would have got back. But now you guys have it where you have to pay twice as much that I had to pay. But for you to close out that credit card, you guys make sure that this is done, and you can close out your credit card at any time, because it's a secure credit card. Plus, that secure credit card do have a $25 annual fee. So do keep that in mind. But that's how you can close out your account. You just basically have to make those extra payments towards your account. And you see that I was able to do it because I was technically supposed to go into April with this account, and I only went to October 2nd. So what's the April, May, June, July, August, September? Almost 6 months, because I closed it out before the 7th. So 5 months I had this account closed out. That was supposed to be closed out in 12 months. So it's possible, you guys, and I last minute paid all that extra money to get it closed. Once you pay all that extra money, they're going to put that money back in your account. So don't think about it as, I don't want to pay no extra money. All this extra money that you're paying, you're going to get that money back in your account. You have to understand that, because you got a certain amount that you're going to get back anyway. So go ahead and pay the extra money that you have to pay and get that money back, because it's the only way you can close it out and not get charged any fees. And remember, if you guys have that secure credit card, this secure credit card, they're going to start taking that money that's in your account every month. They're going to take it and put it into your credit card. So I suggest that you guys pay off that account first, and then you close this account, because I don't know what it would look like if you try to close this secure credit card. You might have to wait for that money to come back for the loan, when I would rather you guys just get it all out the way. I'd rather you just pay it all the way off on your account and then request your money back for your credit card. But you do have an annual fee on it, so you might want to close it out early And they said too, you're going to increase your credit limit. Your account stays in good standing. You may have opportunity to increase your credit limit over time. You're definitely going to have chances because all the money that you're paying into your installment account is coming into your credit card. And you see a lot of people talk about how their credit score was boosted. That's good. I even see people rent vehicles with this one. You're not going to get a hard inquiry on it. It's good things to have this one, but I wouldn't suggest you guys also don't close these accounts out too early, because once you close it, your credit score is going to drop. So I want to make sure that you guys understand that your credit score is going to drop. So if you wanted to apply for any type of credit cards early, you might want to hurry up and get that done. Go ahead and apply for whatever credit card you want. Do not just close your accounts out, because once you close these accounts out, your credit score is going to drop. And my credit score dropped when I closed this one out, because I technically paid off a loan, but then I went right back into one, and then I just let that one play out normally. I just wanted to know how it was going to work to actually like pay out these credit cards. So that's something I wanted to show you guys. And if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. And always check out my website, Rickita.com. It's another thing I want to show you all. You can schedule a call with me right on my website, Rickita.com. And if you guys haven't seen it, you can see schedule call here. I added an extra thing where you guys can pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. It's so many credit cards on this list that will allow you to pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. So definitely check out this list. There's so many credit cards on here. So before you close out your Self Visa card or even your installment account, please go ahead and apply for some more credit cards on this list so that you guys will have new accounts reporting. Because once your credit score drops, you guys, it's probably going to look bad, and they're not going to want to approve you for more cards. So Discover It Chrome, they can pre-qualify you. All Discover cards. Check out the Apple card. Check out M Rewards is a secure card. You come from a secure, I don't think you want to get back into a secure. The Pedal 1 and Pedal 2. Visa is great. More Discover, Capital One, check them out. This one is a secured one, but you can check out just the regular Capital One credit cards. I got quite a few of them on here also. So definitely look at a lot of these credit cards. You'll see some of these are not secure cards. A lot of them not secure cards. You just want to keep going down and check them out. And then be wary and, be careful with like Credit One Bank, because Credit One Bank sometimes charge a very high annual fee, and I don't want you guys to pay a very high annual fee. Wayfair can pre-qualify you. I love my Walgreens credit card. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm an extreme couponer, so I get so much rewards and stuff from using my Walgreens credit card. And I think I get like up to 10% cash back. And I don't pay for any laundry or anything now because I do my couponing, which is really good. Also, NASA can pre-qualify you. Mission Lane is really good. They can pre-qualify you. And Prosper. So it's a lot of credit cards on here. Definitely check them out. But again, watch out for the annual fee too, because they may have a high annual fee for you. And I don't want you to pay a high annual fee for some of these credit cards. Tempur-Pedic, they have like 0% financing. Sealy have 0% financing for those people that want to get high limit credit cards, maybe to help with their utilization. And if you guys cannot get approved for credit cards, check out my different things. You guys should see it right on the YouTube channel. The late payment, student loans, collections, charge off, and bankruptcy removal letters. Definitely check those out because those can really help you. And I'm pretty sure you guys seen these videos. It's a video for each of these credit cards. My computer just loading very slow right now, but there's a video for each credit card. So if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. But again, remember, your credit score is going to drop when you close those accounts. So make sure you guys apply for the credit cards you want before your credit score drop. And I'll see you guys in the next video.